Yo guys, wow, this is a first video for a while. Alright, today I'm making lockpicks. Yep, all you need is a hacksaw blade. Don't bother getting the expensive ones, just the cheap ones will. And then, well, first of all you get them like this sort of, well, yeah. You snap them in half and then you snap them again, which is just as easy as doing that. So yeah, what you do is first you get the spikes off so your hands don't get hurt when you're using them. Now for the other side. And there you go. The next thing to work out is if you want one that you can feel around with the pins, which I like them, but I make my own. I don't use the templates, which tell you to just go from the middle with them. I go from the bottom, so it's less cut and less hassle, and they're quite easy to use because you can just rest it straight on the bottom of the lock and knock them up. So yep, let's get started making this. This will just be a feeler to feel where the pins are. Alright. It's a lot harder to do with one hand than what I thought it would be. That's just one to go like into a lock just to feel where the pins are. I can't get it in yet because I haven't thinned. There you go. See, just sitting there, feel where they are. The next thing I do is just for a bit of a peel. Is I take the paint off the side. But also it helps me to thin them out so they can get into thinner locks. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I'll record this. Alright, I don't know if I cocked up and moved the camera around on that. What you do now is you just put on a bit of black paper. I like to do this just to get any imperfections out, so that they're completely straight. That looks pretty decent, to be honest. I'm going to flatten it out a little bit more here, so I can get like deeper into the lock. Yep, that should be good. Let's try it out. See, it goes in a lot more easier. Alright, when I was watching videos on YouTube, I noticed people were filing the sides down to make them smoother. It doesn't make a difference because they get thinner while you use them. I'll show you how to make a tension wrench, which is what you put into the lock to hold the lock down, so when you unlock all the pins it keeps them like popped up to the top. All you need is a bit of wire out of 1 minute. Right, all you need is a bit of wire out of a window wiper, and then the sizes are up to you. On the vise I got, I choose to go down to that spring there, like to the centre of it, and then it's a decent size. I'll show you this now. Alright, I don't know if I can do this with, yeah, I'll give it a go. Alright, okay, I tighten it down. Wow, that's cocked up. And then just bend it. And then you should have it at an angle, and then see, that's a good size, and then just pop it into there, the size that you want. I tend to go for about a good where is it, there we go, a good inch, inch and a half. Alright, and then just really, it's like childhood, just keep bending it like with the spoons until it gets hot and breaks, really. There we go. Alright, now where did I put the lockpicks? There we go. Okay, because you've bent them, they've got a bit of a rough side on it, so I tend to just go back to the bench grinder and just grind the rough edges off. There's no fun sparks with that, so yeah. Alright then, 2 lockpicks. These should open any lock that you want. If you can't be bothered to make them, send me a message on YouTube, and I shall. I don't know what would be a decent price for these, really, because ones on the internet, they charge you like 15 quid for a set of 3 and 1 tension wrench. So I don't know. I'll have to think into it. But yeah, I'll do a 3rd set with a tension wrench. 3 quid UK. I don't know what that is in dollars if you're watching it in United States. I know people do watch these in United States, but yeah. So let's go try it out on the lock.